one last thing we wanted to look at is just like what it might look like if the condition in the function is a little more complicated. Like you can definitely go further than just this kind of equals thing. We had another screen here, which could, it's not implemented right now, but it could get all of the animals in the list that were greater than or less than some number of pounds, that they had fur or didn't have fur or something. And so you could do something like that. I made a copy of the function down here, so just so that we could play around with it. So let's call this one like search in table by weight, and then maybe the parameter is greater than weight, and then let's give it has fur. So let's get rid of these console logs because they're outdated. But like in here, as we're iterating through, we could say something like var, we could say animal weight, like current animal weight equals like animal weight list of I. This isn't something that we actually brought in from the table yet, but we would add that list up there. Say animal weight list I, and then you could say current animal has fur. You could say animal has fur list I whenever we bring that in from the table. And then in this if statement, I'm just going to get rid of these because we're not using them right now. This is just an example. But in the if statement, you could say, okay, how about if current animal weight is greater than weight. So like whatever you supply here, maybe it's 1,000 pounds. You say if current animal weight is greater than that, and then you could say and current animal has fur equals this parameter has fur. So then you could call this function something like it would be like search in table by weight, and then maybe the weight's like 1,000, and then has fur yes. So like you could basically use a structure like this. This isn't complete, but you could use a structure like this, use these compounded if statements to do more complicated behavior. Yeah, that's it.